PadSplit app, rooms for rent, as affordable calling. Welcome to the PadSplit app. Find affordable rooms for rent. See your PadSplit details in one place. Get help from your host. See your messages in one place. Download the PadSplit app for enhanced co-living experience. Through the PadSplit app, members can complete membership application, book the perfect room to suit your budget and needs, move in within 48 hours, pay your dues, chat with your housemate and host. Use the anytime messenger to communicate anytime with members in your home. So that's basically the idea. So you can just tap to get in here and then just double click to install it. And yeah, so this is just what you have. Then you can just find the room. So this is kind of the app where you just can find it.